Research suggests that as cities try to become environmentally sustainable, nonprofit organizations are critical in helping implement change. But how do the characteristics of the cities themselves change nonprofit organizations' abilities to reduce environmental impact and implement eco-innovations? By studying the data set of the 100 largest U.S. communities for 12 years, researchers found that a higher density of local environmental nonprofit organizations, or LENOs, is associated with a reduction in the city's toxic contamination and an increase in the number of buildings with environmental certifications. LENOs put pressure on local industries to curb their environmental impacts and also help to organize citizens around environmental action. Interestingly, the relationship between LENO density and environmental impact is stronger in cities that have higher education levels, are more innovative, host large corporations' headquarters, and have higher per capita income levels. However, researchers also found that the link between LENO density and city sustainability is lower in communities that have higher income inequality. In these cities, income inequality threatens sustainability development goals, despite the presence of many environmental nonprofits in the city. As researchers better understand how a city's makeup can change LENO's effectiveness, they may be able to suggest ways cities can change in order to harness the full power of their nonprofits. Want to figure out how your city's composite affects its sustainability? If so, then you may want to read this paper.